So welcome back here from Spray Tech. You can see Spray Tech on tour. We're going somewhere special today. We're going somewhere in Europe to go pick up a vehicle for a special customer. He's hit us up and basically asked us to do some repair on his car. A bit better than that. Special car. So we're going to literally do a complete makeover on it. So this is where we're going, somewhere in Europe, collect it. And yeah, we're gonna go drive it back and do our thing to it, so stay tuned. So literally just got off the train at Euston, just on the way to St Pancras. We're getting on the Euro Star, whatever they call it, and we're going into Europe. So £20 worth of nude books. I think you get nudes. Basically, we didn't know that we had to be here like half an hour before, so they closed boarding. So we got to get the next one now, which is at 3 o'clock. So I don't know what we're gonna do. So obviously we ain't gonna be back till like early hours in the morning now, but obviously we do what we've got to do. Let's go get some food. So because we've got to wait now 3 hours till our train departs, we've come to get the food. We're in where better to go than with the Bombay bad boy himself, Ruben, than Dishu. So, you know, try it out. Just keep up the streets. We're done out here, man. We're done. Food entry.
This is a train we are allowed on.
Hey guys, welcome to London Euston. Quick trip in, quick trip out. Kieran's actually illegal in this country. We've been deported back. to Telford, so see you there.
At least we're getting somewhere, isn't it? So going back home, tail between our legs, see what I can do. Oh, it's first class. Cool. So quick recap of what's just actually happened in the video. So a footballer who plays for Bruges in Belgium got in contact with us. His car was looking a bit shabby, obviously you see the pictures and so on. Yeah, he got in contact with us, asking us to repair his car and so on. So yeah, we said yeah, cool. He said slight issue, I'm in Belgium. So we were like, no problem. Obviously you can come over there, grab the car, come back. Obviously, as you've seen, it was a bit of a disaster. Yeah, didn't go to plan, should we say. Started off, obviously, we were late, well, we weren't even late. We got there half an hour before we meant to depart. Not knowing it was just like a normal flight, and you had to be there 2 hours before. So we had to get moved to the next train going through France into Belgium. And so obviously, you've seen what we did. Then come back, and then obviously go to like passport control, and then showing us your vaccination status and all that, showing that, and it wouldn't work. So you're like, nah, can you come with us? Took us to some next room, literally like banged up abroad, like border force or whatever. I thought that was it. I thought, we're done. We're literally gonna go get locked up. That's it. Like trying to illegally cross into France or something like that. I thought, no, we're gonna be like seeing on the news running on the tracks and that. You know what I mean? Like, mad. But anyway, so obviously we got refused entry into France because of the evidence for the COVID or some rubbish wasn't sufficient, or I don't even know why. We got refused. I think I'm banned from France now, so yeah, I ain't gonna go see France. But yeah, that's basically what happened. We had to go back home without the car, tell the customer we can't do it. So yeah, that was that. But obviously, thank you for watching the video. As always, subscribe, like. Oh, and quick one before any of that, we are now famous on TikTok. 12, I think, as this is being recorded now, I think we're on 13k, or we just hit 13k. So, like about 5 days ago, we had like about 200 followers on TikTok, and all of a sudden, whoa, we're famous. So yeah, follow us on TikTok if you're not following. Cool, peace.